Cable tricep push down. Stand facing the cable machine with your back straight and your leg shoulder width apart, knees slightly bent. Attach the straight bar cable to the top lock of the cable machine and hold the cable with the both hands. Keep your elbow close to your body and extend your arms completely downward, squeezing your tricep at the bottom. Then slowly bringing the bar to the starting position. And you have to perform this with the same form. Do 3 sets and 10 to 12 reps. Close grip bench press. Lean on a flat bench with your feet on the floor, selecting a light weight and hold the Olympic barbell with the close grip and wider than shoulder width, keeping the elbow close to the body, bringing the barbell down toward the lower chest with control form. And to squeeze the tricep muscle, press the barbell completely upward, then hold it for 1 to 2 seconds. Again brought the barbell downward. Do 3 sets and 10 to 12 repetitions. Tricep dips. Hang yourself on parallel bar with the strong grip with both hands. Bending your elbow, lower your body until your upper arms become parallel to the ground. Then push yourself back to the starting position. Fully extend your arms while maintaining body balance. During this entire movement, you should maintain focus on the chest and tricep muscle. Perform 3 sets and 10 to 15 repetitions. Rope overhead extension. Attach a rope to the hitch pulley on a cable machine. Stand with your back facing away from the machine and hold the rope cable with both hands above your head, keeping your upper arms close to your ears and bend your elbow. Take the rope cable downward from the back of your head and then while stretching the tricep muscle, pull the rope cable completely upward and hold it for 1 to 2 seconds. Again bringing the cable downward from behind your head. Do 3 sets and 10 to 12 reps. Cable skull crusher. Attach the straight bar or easy bar to hitch pulley on a cable machine. Lean on a flat bench or slightly inclined bench and hold the bar with an overhead grip with the hand shoulder width apart, keeping your hands straight, bringing the bar above your head and then bending the elbow, bringing the bar down to the head and hold it for 1 second and then bringing the bar upward to the starting position until your entire arm is straight. Perform 3 sets and 10 to 12 reps. One arm reverse grip cable push down. Attach the D handle to the upper lock of the machine and stand facing the machine, holding the handle with the reverse grip with one hand, with your back straight and knees bent. Pull the handle all the way down, hold it for 1 second, squeeze the tricep muscle and then bringing the handle to the starting position with control form. During this moment, keep the elbow close to the body and then upper arm stable. With the same form, this has to be done with the other hand also. Do 3 sets and 10 to 12 repetitions with both hands and increase the weight after each set.